Zorayr Manukyan, Guide to Affiliate Marketing. Most people in the corporate world are aware that marketing is a weapon that, if wielded correctly, can lead to the formation of empires. Indeed, innovative advertisements and unique marketing strategies are what set a brand apart from its competitors. It is what makes a customer loyal to one product over another. It is the reason why people will stand in line for hours just to get their hands on the latest release from their favorite company. Marketing, when done right, can be quite literally worth its weight in gold. Zorayr Manukyan points out that there is one form of marketing in particular that has taken the corporate world by storm in recent years, and that is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought about by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. In other words, affiliate marketing is a way for companies to outsource their marketing efforts to people who are willing to market their products and services for a commission. Zorayr Manukyan, Chief Scientific Officer at Clinsta Device, explains that affiliate marketing is usually done with the help of an affiliate network, which is a platform that connects merchants with affiliates. The affiliate network provides the affiliates with tracking links that they can use to promote the merchant's products or services. When a customer clicks on one of these tracking links and makes a purchase, the affiliate is then rewarded with a commission. How does affiliate marketing work? The affiliate network provides the affiliates with tracking links that they can use to promote the merchant's products or services. When a customer clicks on one of these tracking links and makes a purchase, the affiliate is then rewarded with a commission. Affiliate networks typically offer two different types of commissions: fixed rate and pay per sale. With a fixed rate commission, the affiliate is rewarded with a set amount of money for each sale that they generate. With a pay per sale commission, the affiliate is rewarded with a percentage of the sale price for each sale that they generate. In addition to providing affiliates with tracking links, affiliate networks will also often provide them with banner ads and other creative assets that they can use to promote the merchant's products or services. Banner ads are usually displayed on websites, and when a user clicks on one of these banner ads, they are typically redirected to the merchant's website, where they can learn more about the product or service that they are interested in. There are also other types of affiliate marketing programs, such as pay-per-click and pay-per-lead programs. With a pay-per-click program, the affiliate is rewarded each time a user clicks on one of their tracking links. With a pay-per-lead program, the affiliate is rewarded each time a user completes a lead form on the merchant's website. Tips for successful affiliate marketing. Choose the right products or services to promote. Build a strong relationship with your audience. Promote your products or services in a variety of ways. Be patient. Bottom line. Zorayr Manukyan believes that affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money online. However, it is important to remember that it takes time and effort to be successful at it. If you are willing to put in the time and effort, you can eventually be successful at affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching.